Hi mga inday na nasa ni Snook Anderson, taga-Australia kunuhay, pero bisdak ragi hapo! So, karong adlaw today guys, it's gonna be another unboxing day. Yes, and I have a special guest as you can see. It's Brianna. Say hi guys!
Hi.
Hi everybody! Hi everyone!
And them statuses and you remember them with
Yeah, so shout out to Madam Lips. Say hi to Madam Lips.
hi them with.
So today, i-unboxing namin itong sinend niya sa amin. We're super excited. And we're super excited. And Brianna wants to open it. And this one is when you join Madam Lips on her channel. Ito yung binigay niya sa amin.
Box game.
So, if you want to join Madam Lips, guys, I will put her channel on here or on my description box below. And yeah, so check it out, her YouTube channel, guys. So, okay? So, without further ado, let's open the package because Brianna really excited about it. Kahapon pa siya, gusto niyang
Not here.
buksan ito, pero nakatulog siya. So, here you go. Where's the scissor? Or this one? So, ano kayang laman ito? What's on the paso? Do you want to slice here? Here?
I want to do it.
Here you do it. Oh, well done, Bob.
Okay.
Okay. What's on here? What's on
Actually
here?
close.
Yeah, what's on here? Wow! Excited siya magbukas. Oh, dito ka.
What's it?
You love that?
Yeah.
Gusto niya daw. So, ayan. That's for you from Madam Lips. What is that? What is this? Open it first. What is this?
Look at the mask.
Yes, a sleeping mask. Yay!
It's a panda.
Yeah, and it's a panda. Because Madam Lips is love panda. It's super cute.
And fluffy.
And fluffy. And this is for you. What can you say for Madam?
Thank you, Dom.
Thank you,
And
Dam.
what else is in here?
And this is the
what?
pillow that we... what's this? We got... Wow! And what else? It's a YouTube thing. Thank you, Dam. It's really beautiful. Oh. You love that one?
Yeah.
You love that. How about this one? You put on your head. Yay! Wow! It's beautiful.
It's a heart shape.
Yeah, it's kind of lips. Because it's Madam Lips. So you better put this one on and when you like that. Because we're gonna do for thumbnails. See? Smile. And here, this one, put on in your face, in your Uy,
It's kind of ugly.
look.
I don't know that.
Guys, may may naiwan pa palang sa package ito. Siya, mobile phone partner, ring siya. So, salamat daghana kayo sa imong gisendam. Oy, thank you so much, Madam Lips. We're really thank you. Ito pala siya.
I
Look.
want it.
Yeah, you love it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in my phone. So, siya, lips. Tingnan nyo, guys. It's a lips. Thank you, Dam. So, ipalit natin siya dito. Kasi ito, na to eh. Mabilis na tong matanggal, Bob eh. So, tanggalin ko to. Ayan. So, ito yung ipalit ko, Dam. Nice. Thank you, Dam. I really love it. It's super cute. Ayan. Lagay natin dito. So, ilagay ko sa cellphone ko. Like this, ba?
Yeah.
Oop.
Okay, now what?
Now, here you go. Ayan, ang cute. Super cute. Thank you so much, Dam. I really like it. Ganahan kay ko, Dam. Super cute siya, Dam. So, guys, kung gusto nyo, guys, mag-join na rin kayo kay Madam kasi may pasurpresa si Madam every time mag-join kayo sa kanyang YouTube channel. Excited on this thing. Siguro ilalagay ko siya dito, guys.
Okay, no.
Ayan, dito siya.
The princess will fall.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, or here. Diba? Ang cute! Thank you, Madam. It's really soft, Brianna.
I want to tell Stephen.
Yeah. Okay. So, I think that's it for now, guys. And thank you so much to Madam Lips. Thank you. So, salamat kayo, Dam. Nadawat na namo. Dali ra kayo pagkuan mo, pag-send na mo. And that's it. And bye, Madam. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Diamond. This is a cute whip.
Yeah, cute lips like Madam Lips.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Come on, bye muna.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Mwah. Flying kiss. Mwah. Salamat kayo. Babush. See you again.
Bye, Boosh.
See you again next time. And don't forget to likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Salamat kaayo. Till next time, guys. Babush. Mwah.